Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can translate captions on CapCut PC. Select your video and place it there. I'm just going to use auto captions for this one. So my video is in English, so I'm just going to select English for the subtitle, and then to translate it, you're going to select bilingual captions and you're going to select it in a different language. I'm just going to translate it to Indonesian because that's the only other language I know of. So I'm just going to select generate, and it's going to translate your English caption to Indonesian or whatever language you chose. Oh no. This is just me waiting because it does take a few minutes. Here I'm just going to recolor it so you guys can see. As you can see, it's been translated in both of the languages. In the languages. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.